Hello, my name is Lokesh and I'm working as Executive Chef with NicoCaara India Private Limited, where we believe in the value of bringing something fresh from farm to the fork. So living to this value today, we have actually created a dish. It's called Burrata Salad. The main ingredient in the Burrata Salad is of course the Burrata cheese, which one of our supplier in Uttarakhand is producing. He's actually replicating this classic fancy Italian cheese into a local produce, which we're going to glorify in our dish. The second important ingredient is the farm love mix salad. It's a blend of basil, mint, rocket leaves and baby spinach, which we grow at our own farm and it's all chemical free, along with seasonal mangoes that is available in the market. To glorify the dish even more, we are having some colored peppers that we'll be using today, and we'll also be using a very interesting ingredient called coriander seed today in the dish, along with a sesame garlic dip that we're gonna make it today. So guys, let's get along and make this happen.